Hi, my name is Yash Asgaonkar, and I want to share my experience of how I got scammed. Like you'll be wondering that though I am a millennial, since I am born in the 2000s, I keep on constantly using my phone. That means I read about all these online scams and all these transactions happening, all the scams that go on. But still, I got scammed in a new way. So basically, today in the morning, around 12, I got a call from Amazon, one of the Amazon numbers, saying that actually 4 days ago I had ordered 4-5 products on Amazon. So this on the call they told me, sir, you have ordered a screen guard, and from this order ID, your number has been shortlisted for a lucky draw, and out of the five people have been shortlisted for a lucky draw. You're one of those. So in this lucky draw, you will be getting 5 products. Those 5 products are a AC, a refrigerator, 49-inch LED, an iPhone 11 256 GB, and another one more, and some Lloyd, some AC, another thing. I can't remember that. So out of all these products, they told me that you can select any one product, and if you select one product, you will have to do a transaction on Amazon of worth of 5,000 or above, 5,000 and above. So I was like, it will be beneficial for me only because I'm getting a direct product and I have to do another purchase on Amazon. That means I'm not giving money to any other account. I'm doing the payment on the app itself. But what they told me, you select the amount, the items on Amazon, take a screenshot of it and send us on a number that is on that we are going to message you on WhatsApp. So I had taken items worth of around 5,300, and they were like, sir, if you do a transaction worth of 5,300, like if you send us this amount, I'm going to do 40% cashback. I knew something was fishy over here because this 5,000 also was a big amount, but I was like 5,000 or any of the product. I had chosen for that basis an iPhone which was around 56,000. So I was like, if 5,000 goes, one time I was manageable. I can tell my mom something or my dad something and I was still okay. So the thing was, I paid 5,000 and they told me 40% cashback. Everything was going cool, and they told me after 1 hour you're going to get a call from the dispatch team. This dispatch team is going to get a confirmation that your account has been approved and we are going to send a product. After the dispatch team called me after an hour, they also said that, sir, the amount, the product that you have selected is an iPhone. Out of this iPhone, you have to pay the GST amount. If you pay this GST amount, then within a minute, transaction, there was a perfect transaction bill also sent to me by another Amazon number. Like the logo was Amazon on both these numbers, but only and even the bill was like a proper verified bill. So I saw the bill, it was everything fine, and the GST amount I had paid them. Now I'll tell you the catch over here. The GST amount, actually the whole story is slightly confusing, but I'll tell you the catch the next time you all can take care. So the Amazon amount or the GST number that I had to pay was for 56,000, 60,000 was the iPhone. I had to pay 9,772.2. Now here you all have to take care. I'll tell you the thing. Whenever you pay amount on Google Pay, if you pay 9,772.2, after the payment is done, it gets rounded up to 0.20. Okay, I'm again repeating it. During the payment, he gave me all his IFSC code, all the account detail, all the account number and all. I filled in everything. Now while filling the number, I paid 9,772.2. I paid him already. I thought once the payment was done, it rounded up to 20. I thought I did a mistake. So I told my sister to transfer the money. But over here what we did was, I told my sister not to transfer 10,000 to me. I told her to transfer 50.2 rupees to me. Once the money was transferred, the amount that got registered on her phone was 50.20. Now you all have to be careful over here. He was like, sir, अगर आप ये पैसा नहीं दोगे मुझे तो आपको वो फ़ोन नहीं मिलेगा. So we completely came to know that this was something fishy. They kept on calling me again, sir मैं आज करूँगा, कल करता हूँ, करता हूँ कॉल, आप पैसा भेजो, कैसे भी अरेंज करो. So here what we did, we found that this is a scam, definitely a scam that has happened with me. First I paid around 5,300, then second time I paid him around 9,772. I and my sister directly went to the police station, that is the Margao police station, and here what we did, we filed a complaint. While filing a complaint, there was one of the PIs, he guided us. Here he told us that your amount has been directly sent to his account, so here we can't do anything. So there was a police inspector over there named Sagar. He guided me for next time precaution, like next time what are the steps you can take to avoid such cases. Whenever there is a payment happening, even you all can take care while such payments happening. Try to do your payments as much as possible with a credit card or a debit card, because once a payment is done with credit or debit card, to process this money it takes around 2 to 3 hours. So once that money, if consider within this 2 to 3 hours, if you complain, you can put a stop to this transaction happening. And if it's an online transaction, that is like a Google Pay or a Paytm, you have only a 10 minutes window. So in this 10 minutes window, you try to complain, then there are chances of the transaction being stopped and you getting your cash completely back. I did the mistake over here was I did directly Google Pay, because the man completely kept on insisting me that आप सर क्रेडिट और डेबिट कार्ड से मत करिए, ये डिले हो जाएगा, आप मुझे गूगल पे करें या फिर पेटीएम करें, आपको जल्दी पैसा हो जाएगा, आपका प्रोसेसिंग जल्दी हो जाएगा. So I am going to share this number with you all. This number over here, I'll put it down on the under the video. These two numbers, if you all get a call next time, please don't pick up. And again I am repeating, while doing a transaction on Google Pay, that is, if somebody tells to round up the number like 0.2 or 0.20, that's definitely mean there is something fishy happening, and think twice before doing a payment. Okay, take care, stay safe.